Introducing our 5-meter extra-wide PVC tarpaulin, the ideal solution for large-scale industrial tents and diverse applications. Unlike standard 3.2-meter tarpaulins, our extra-wide design reduces seams, minimizing leakage risks while enhancing aesthetics and structural integrity. Designed for efficiency, the reduced seams enable faster installation, saving time and labor costs. With ultra-wide materials allows customers to build large-span tents, such as those measuring 100 by 200 meters industrial structures that conventional materials cannot achieve. Our 5-meter width tarpaulin material available in weights from 750 GSM to 1100 GSM for different applications. The DLT-5213 ultra-wide PVC tent fabric by DuraTarps is a high-performance material designed for heavy-duty outdoor structures and industrial tent applications. Made from a durable 1000D polyester-based fabric and 1000 GSM weight, it offers excellent 4100 Newton tensile strength, 4100 Newton tear resistance strength, and 140 Newton peeling strength. With a 5.0-meter ultra-wide width, extra blockout layer, glossy and acrylic treated surface ensures durability, privacy, and style. Suitable for extreme temperatures, -20°C to +70°C, and customizable fire retardant certifications, it's ideal for large-scale tents, shelters, and coverings. Our materials have excellent hot air and high-frequency welding performance, making it convenient for customers to install on-site. With advanced UV resistance and waterproof properties, it complies with rigorous European standards, including DIN 41, O2B1, and M2, and is certified by CE, SGS, BV, and more, ensuring top-tier performance and quality. Versatile across industries, this tarpaulin is trusted for applications like warehousing, agriculture, corporate events, and disaster relief. Whether for large industrial tents or premium event coverings, our product offers a dependable, high-performance solution tailored to your needs. The tarpaulin's self-cleaning surface, anti-ultraviolet treatment, and optional acrylic or PVDF coating deliver exceptional durability, extended usability, and adaptability for different requirements. Boasting excellent tear resistance, high tensile strength, and strong welding peel strength, is a reliable choice for demanding environments. Choose our 5-meter extra-wide PVC tarpaulin for its seamless design, superior strength, and long-lasting durability, the ultimate choice for protecting your operations and enhancing your projects.